We are upgrading our camera today, so I figured I would come and show you Hey y'all, it's Jaila aka JaiChanellie on the internet. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, I'm giving you iPhone quality right now, okay? But that is for a very good reason. We are upgrading our camera today, so I figured I would come and show you my old camera that we are saying goodbye to, my new camera that we're going to step into, and I'll just show you all of the equipment that I use to film for my YouTube videos. So if you are getting into YouTube, you want some entry-level equipment, some relatively inexpensive equipment to get started with, this is the video for you. Remember to hit that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell so you can be notified anytime I'm posting a new video. I'm getting a new camera out of necessity because my baby gave out on me, okay? So the camera that I have been using to film all of my YouTube videos is my Sony Alpha 5100. And this is what it looks like. This is a super popular camera for YouTube. And the reason why everybody likes it and the reason why I liked it and I got it is because of this flip up screen. This screen flips all the way up so that when you're filming, you can essentially see yourself, which is obviously very helpful if you are a vlogger, you want to do vlogs, or even just for my beauty channel. I just need to see myself, make sure I'm in focus, make sure I'm looking good, make sure there's nothing out of place. So I absolutely love this flip up screen, and that is what attracted me to this camera. However, okay, it was not perfect. And I knew that from day one, because the very first day that I tried to film with this camera, do y'all know this thing had the audacity to overheat after like 20 minutes? You know, although I had been saying like, ugh, I'm so sick of this thing turning off, I wasn't really thinking of like getting a new camera anytime soon. However, and nothing happened. Now I know what you're saying, Jaila, it's not charged. But yes, it is. My Sony Alpha 5100 is officially kaput. It is dead. Rest in peace. And we are going to be using a new camera to film our YouTube videos. The Sony Alpha 6400. And this time, this is a camera that is not going to overheat. So I went ahead and looked into it. There are some documented overheating issues with the 5100, but those issues do not exist with the 6400. So I was like, bet. I just purchased the body of the camera and I'm going to use the exact same lens that I have been using. So let's go ahead and open this camera right on up. Okay, y'all, so this is our brand new Sony baby. Let's go ahead and open it right on up. So this right here is our brand new Sony Alpha 6400. I got this camera because yes, it records in 4K, honey. Okay, so we about to step our quality up, and we still have this beautiful flip up screen. Let me go ahead and do that. So this one goes like this, so you can put it at different angles and you can still flip it all the way up. Okay, y'all, so that is my brand new camera. I'm so excited to see the quality of it. So let me go ahead and show you the other things that I use whenever I'm filming YouTube videos. Okay, y'all, so the tripod that I actually use to film my YouTube videos is this, a sun pack. Alrighty, y'all, so this is my tripod. I will have to leave the exact measurements of how tall this is in like the description box, because I honestly don't know. So I had a symbol. But yeah, so this is the tripod. Honestly, I've had this for a couple of years as well. It's broke. It's supposed to be something right there. I definitely will also be getting a new tripod pretty soon because yeah, this is also broken. There's just a lot of broken pieces on this, but if you need a starter tripod, this is pretty good. But yeah, so this is my tripod. All right, y'all, so that is my tripod. Next, let's move on to lighting situation. So some other things that I have that will be really good for YouTube are lights. So I actually have some umbrella lights in here from this company. Got this off of Amazon. Pretty sure I got it for Fat Kids deals. And also a ring light, again, a Fat Kids deal off of Amazon. Okay, y'all, so this is what the umbrella light looks like. It has the adjustable stand so you can make it as tall or as short as you need it to be. And let me go ahead and turn it on for you. So right now I'm standing directly in front of the umbrella light, as you can see. Let me see if I can turn it off and turn it on to show you the difference. Off, on. So you can clearly see that there is a difference. Now, let me be honest with you. I do not be filming with these umbrella lights because I hate setting these things up. Like, I genuinely hate it. Setting up lighting is like the bane of my YouTube existence. So usually I do not use these. Let me go ahead and show you the ring light and what that looks like. This is what it looks like. I currently have the orange reflectors or orange filter on it. It comes with white filters and orange filters. Y'all know I love me a good golden hour moment. So I figured the orange warmer filter would give me the look that I'm looking for. Let me see if I can plug this in to show you what light looks like. And this is what that ring light looks like turned on all the way to the highest setting. Let me show you what that looks like on my face. Hello, this is me giving ring light realness. As you can clearly see in my glasses, this ring light is turned all the way up right now. Again, on the orange filter. If I were to dim it, this would be what I look like without that ring light. I'm gonna be honest. Once again, do not use this ring light because it is so clunky and so cumbersome to set up. Honestly, y'all, I don't be feeling it. So let me show you the source of light that I actually use. So without revealing what my neighbor's house looks like, this is my source of light, y'all. Whenever I film my YouTube videos, I always film in front of this mirror. I love, love, love natural lighting and how it looks in my videos. So this is my primary and usually my only source of light in my YouTube videos. Obviously, this has some good and some bad. First of all, your skin will look amazing in natural lighting. But of course, you're on a time limit whenever you use natural light. So right now it's almost it's almost 7 o'clock and the sun's going down. So I'm not getting a whole lot of light up in this situation. Also, when it's like high noon and it's very shadowy, that doesn't really make a conducive filming environment either. So if you use natural lighting, you literally on God's time, okay? And the very last thing that you absolutely need to be a YouTuber, this right here. This is my memory card. It's 128 gigabytes. You need all the space that you can possibly get. So I highly, highly, highly recommend going up in gigabytes, but definitely invest in a good memory card that will make sure that all your files stay where they're supposed to be. Those are all of my materials. Those are all of the things that I use to film my YouTube videos. Again, I know my content is not the most stellar quality content that you can possibly find, but I use what I have and I spend money very sparingly and very intentionally on my setup. So obviously the camera is the bulk of where the money's going, but every now and again I catch a nice Fat Kids deals and I get me some lights or I get me something to help me along the process, okay? If you enjoyed this video, remember to hit that subscribe button. Also like this video so YouTube can share with other people. I'm so super excited for this new chapter, even though it's not a chapter I asked for, we here now, okay? So I'm so excited for fresh quality content to be coming your way. If you want to see what the Sony Alpha 6400 is giving, you got to subscribe so you can see my next video, okay? And you'll see how the 4K quality is looking over here on JaiChanellie's channel. I enjoy y'all so much. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.